Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a melon bomb, a melon flavored drink that really packs a punch. It's both very smooth and tasty. I can't wait to show you how to make it. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. It's really easy to make and it tastes great. So we're gonna pour 3 ounces of melon liqueur into a large shaker, following that with 3 ounces worth of your favorite sweet and sour mix. You also wanna make sure that's in a shaker filled with ice. I'm gonna shake this well to mix the ingredients together. I'm gonna strain this mixture into a rocks glass. And now we're going to slowly pour in 1 ounce worth of Chambord at an angle over the backside of a spoon and allow it to sink to the bottom of the glass. And to make a really cool effect for this drink, we're also going to top the drink with 1 ounce's worth of Jägermeister by pouring it slowly over the backside of a spoon into the glass as well. And that's it. This is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made a melon bomb right at home. As you can see, it makes a really stunning drink. You can also make smaller portions to create shots out of this drink. You just want to make sure you distribute the melon and sweet and sour mix combo and divide the Chambord amongst each shot glass, as well as topping each with the Jägermeister. But when you do try this drink at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this drink. And as always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this drink. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and tell a friend to subscribe too. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show how to make another really tasty party drink, my daiquiri recipe. Well, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these recipes, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.